at 7:31 a.m. and sunset is at 5:17 p.m. This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. The Greensboro, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, December 31st, 2024.
Alright, so ever since I used WXL42 as being my way to end off 2024 with 2 severe thunderstorm warnings, I have a video over here, I have this same station, WXL42, to start off 2025 with a weekly test. Oh, and this weekly test consisting of 3 long headers that you heard at the beginning. As soon as WXL42 started the testing, and they're that long because the headers consist of the amount of counties WXL42 has, which for around their county area within North Carolina and Virginia, 22 counties. That's 22 counties for WXL42's humongous Columbus Among Us county area for them to put on their headers for this weekly test.